So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed, error description not available, error showing on Apple ID. If you're also facing this kind of error on your iPhone Apple ID, keep watching full video. After watching this video you can easily solve that error on your iPhone. So let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the first solution. The first solution is reset network setting. Okay, to do that, open iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset. Okay, you can see appears on screen second option, reset network setting. Select that option, enter your passcode, and after that reset all network setting on your iPhone and easily fix that error on your iPhone. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Okay, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. After forced to restart, you can easily fix that error on your iPhone. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone network connection. Okay, make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data and you are not using any weak network. If you're using any weak network, just connect your iPhone to the strong Wi-Fi or cellular data and then you can easily fix that issue on your iPhone. So friends, by do that simple 2 to 3 step, you can easily fix that error on your iPhone. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that error on Apple ID that using on iPad or iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.